Hey, what's up? This is Felicity and welcome to another very exciting tutorial how to create a simple logo animation in Adobe After Effects. So this is Adobe Illustrator. I created this simple logo and don't forget, make each one a separate layer. So then go to File and save a copy, select Desktop and save your logo in Illustrator or AI format. So after this, you go to After Effects and create a new composition and select your preset size, HD, and right here, Lego, reveal logo animation, and set the time 5 seconds. Click OK. Now make fit and change to icon license category, press Ctrl R, turn on the pillar. So double click the project, go to desktop and select Illustrator, File, and select Import Kind of Composition. Click OK. And now drag and drop here and right click, rename, right here, Loido. Okay guys, and now double click. There you can see your file with rename. And now time to make animation. How to do this? Select all of them and set to center of the screen right there. Here. First of all, I need to start from the body. I need to start from the body, and next I need to animate. So after body, I need to animate the legs. First, select the body and go to Effects and Presets. Click here, right Radial Wipe. Radial Wipe is a simple effect. Right here, Radial, Radial Wipe. Drop on body and set the wipe center to center right there. Take a look. So I need to start from counterclockwise. I need to start from here. So after 1 second, stopwatch transition and go to 15 frames and animate like this. Hold Control here. And now play. So after connect away the leaves, select the first one and move the anchor point right there. Zoom in. I need to make pop-up animation. Select the left one, press S for scale. Take a look, the scale is 100%. Stopwatch, change to 0 and press page down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames. Change to 100. Click here, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget, change to 95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change to 100. First, take a look. Make sure right here, 100. Play. Good. So after this lead, I need to animate this one. So select anchor point, set right there, and select scale. Press Ctrl plus C to copy and select. Press scale. Press Ctrl plus V, paste. Press V, move, and move. Good. Now select another one. There we have inner body. Inner body, select radial wipe, drop to inner body and select wipe center to click center, and now you can make animate. Take a look. After leave animation, stopwatch, go to 15 frames, make animate. So play from start, press U for the keyframes control, keyframes little bit closer, right click easies for smooth animation. So after this, create a background, press Ctrl plus Y to create new solid the shortcut, and right here, background, change white color, click OK, and move it end of layers. And now I need to make mask animation for the titles. This is our first title, your logo, and this is our second title. And there is the line. So after inner body animation, select the line, press S, turn off the link, and change the first percentage into 0, stopwatch, go to, press page down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames. Make unweight. Right click, don't forget, make easies. Take a look. Select both keyframes. So after completing the line, move your logo from the center of line by using masking, and move this title by using mask. So select all, press Ctrl A, close, and take a look. This is your logo. You can make mask by right click, select solid, and another way, select the rectangle, turn off the stroke, and select the fill, click OK. No matter which color you want to select. Click here first. And now, right click, don't forget, wide the layer, mask. And close, select the mask, move it down, simple logic. And press F4 to control the track matte masking. And take a look, turn on. You can see we have simple logic. Turn on again and go to track matte layer, select the simple logo. So if you click here, we can hide. So select normal, select simple logo, select mask. And now move simple logo. You can see hiding. It means you can animate after line completion. Press P, stopwatch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames. Move item here and right click, make daisies. Select your logo for another masking. Select this mask, press Ctrl D to duplicate, move it up. Your logo. After make a duplicate from mask layer and move mask to top of your logo layer and turn on. Take a look, select your logo, change to mask 2. And now you can turn on this matte inverted, move your logo, you can see. Now you can animate. Press P for the position, and move to 10 frames. Hold shift by up arrow key to move your logo. and right click, make easies. Okay, let's see the result. Go to fit your screen, then turn off title action save area, select all of them, and press F4, turn on the motion blur, and play again. Not bad. Select again your logo, press P, simple logo, press P, and make more slowly title movement. Press space. Good. So trim your code and play again. Press space. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about simple logo animation without plugins. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and visit my Patreon, download After Effects templates and plugins.